Hi guys, welcome back to the Karuna film. Today I'm going to show you guys how to speed up your computer if your mic is slow. So this is a MacBook Pro and it's very slow. I think looks like it has some virus and it's kind of slow and it's old model, so it's very slow now. So this is what I'm going to do. Before I do that, guys, please subscribe to my channel if you are new. And it has some virus as well, so I'm going to show you guys how to remove the virus as well. Okay, now we're gonna go to the icon on the top left corner, if you can see here, and click on the about this Mac. The memory is now 4 GB only, so I'm gonna upgrade to 8. So memory is very expensive. It's very expensive. Okay, so I got one. Actually I got one from my other computer, so I'm gonna put to this computer. That's why I'm going to do that. So this is the main space. I have a 500 GB. So this one's the memory. Okay, these two is different things. Okay, so now first what I have to do, I have to shut down the computer. Okay, make sure you have to shut down your computer before do that. So that's what I'm going to do now. So you need one of these. This is the screwdriver, and I'm gonna upgrade to this RAM. This is 8 GB, so that's what I'm going to install here. So we'll see what happens after I upgrade to this new one. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Yeah, this is how it looks like once you open. So this is the main hard drive. You can upgrade this one as well if you want. This the cooler. So now this is what I'm going to upgrade right now. So this is the 4 GB, and the one I have here, this is the 8 GB. 4 and 4. I have here two piece here. So what you need to do is you need to pull this out, this side and the other side, then you need to remove it, then put those back here. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay guys, so before you touch it, you should wear gloves, this kind of glove, and tie and fit. Okay, what happens is if you don't use glove, you need to touch it and it get fingerprint, and once it get fingerprint, it's gonna damage and it get rust. So that's why, so that's the purpose of wearing glove. And this made in Taiwan. The Taiwanese product is the best one. I like it. The made in Taiwan and Japan is the exactly same. Okay, they make very good quality, no problem. All right, I'm gonna remove like that. You see, same time, and you're gonna pull it. You see, don't scare it. This is happening. Okay, you see here is a little hole, so this is the key. Okay, this one is 4 GB and this is 4 GB, so it's become 8. You have to put the same way like before. I'm gonna make sure it's go through. Yeah, perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna put the another one. Yeah, you heard the clip. Yep, that's it. Okay, now I'm gonna put back the cover. So it has two sizes. The one is the longer one is the short one. The longer one always on the here, on the, you see the button of here. Okay, congratulations. It's very good now. Yeah, I can see, I can tell it. It's way faster now. Yeah. Now it's super fast, super fast, super fast. Okay. It has some virus. I'm gonna show you guys the shortcut how to remove the virus. So sometimes your computer is slow down. So that means there's two reasons. One is you don't enough the space in the computer. Okay. The second thing is you have a virus in the computer, so that's why the computer slowed down. Even though this is my computer, sometimes you get a virus too. All right, now let me see. Let me see how much virus I have. You see, these are the virus. Look at here. These are the virus. A lot of virus in your computer, and it take a lot of space and make your computer slow down. Okay. You see? Oh my goodness, unbelievable. $6,000, $7,000, oh, 12,000. Look at here. How many virus? It's 23,000, 25, 26, 28, 33, 34, 35,000, 37,000 virus. I remove it now. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's how it speed up your computer. Now your entire computer is like brand new. Okay, it's very fast. So this is how you do it. All right. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Okay guys, so this is how it works. Okay, if you are new to my channel, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and leave the comment below.